How to move WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. To move WhatsApp from Android to your iPhone device, what you need to do is first, you on your Android device, make sure to download the Move to iOS app. So you want to search for Move to iOS, and then this is the app that you want to install. You want to open it up. Then once you open it up, tap on agree here, tap on continue, and make sure to agree again. Adequate battery, so I'm not charging here just to show, but you can see it is saying to continue. So I'll tap on continue and then select my WhatsApp data to transfer. Then on your iPhone, now this has to be your new iPhone during the setup. As you know, iPhone during the setup will ask you whether you want to transfer data from Android, so you want to select yes, and then you want to select the particular option, and iPhone will show a code. You'll have to enter it on your app here, and then it'll on the transfer data screen you will have to select WhatsApp and tap start to prepare your WhatsApp. Now if you are gonna have both the device, for example I have both this device right now, how I can log in real quick here. So you can see I have personal WhatsApp here logged into my account. Now I want to log in on my iPhone, right? So I want to install the WhatsApp and I want to tap on agree and continue. You can see it has automatically detected my number, but in your case it'll just ask you to enter in a number, so you want to enter that number. For me, I'll just select this real quick, tap use and then tap on continue, and it'll start connecting real quick here, and I shall get connected here. So you'll start sending a code, as you can see. Now you'll get the code here on this WhatsApp here. You can see 473798 is my code here for now. This is just a one-time code, and then it'll start validating, and once it is validated it'll start transferring, as you can see, and now I have been transferred. So I'll just have to enter in my name and I'm good to go. You can see all my chats is backed up as well. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.